Hi Dilsot, here Herco from Holland, your partner. I'm telling you something about our equipment. This is the milk intake, that's more for the small scale farmers, but I don't think you don't have them in Uzbekistan. From a small scale farm we go to a cooling tank. And the cooling tank doesn't matter if it is 1,000 liters or it is 5,000 or 10,000 or 20,000 liters. From the cooling tank we go to the milk transportation. From the milk transportation we come to the factory. And this is the heart from the factory. We build pasteurizers from 500 liters per hour to 5,000 liters per hour. And this is the milk intake. You connect it to your storage tank. This is the boiler. This is your hot water for your system. This is the plate heat exchanger. The home organizer. And here behind is the separator. And when we have done this, this is a unit you can use for milk, yogurt, for cheese, for ice, for everything. This is the base. For milk, we pasteurize on 72 degrees for 20 seconds. It's this. And for yogurt, we pasteurize on 85 degrees for 5 minutes. And we do the long tube. From here, we have several departments. This is the cheese department. We can make it in all sizes, but the principle is the same. This is the cheese fat. From the cheese fat you make the cheese, and then you go to the pre-press. From the pre-press you drain the whey, you go into the cheese forms. And from the cheese form goes under the cheese press, and then in the salt water to the ripening. Then here we have yogurt, a mini dairy for yogurt, but you can build it in all types. With a pasteurizer or an incubation tank, you fill the yogurt or the fresh milk. In fact, you can do every liquid in bottles. And the good thing is, the milk will not foam. And that means that every bottle is the same size full. We can do from 1 to 4, and we have also carousel from 20 bottles each time. And we do 2,000 bottles per hour. So up to 2,000, 4,000 bottles per hour. Here you can mix some milk powder into the milk. And from here we go to the ice mix plant. This is the incubation tank. You make the ice in it. From here it goes to the cooler, chiller, and you cool down the milk of the product through 2 or 3 degrees. From here, this one you connect to an ice making machine, a freezer, and you can fill all kinds of things. When we get the cream out of the milk, from the cream, we make the butter in a butter churn. From the butter churn we do it into a butter molding machine. And the butter molding machine molds you get pieces of butter and you can cut it. Besides that, we also have used equipment or a pouch filling machine for sachets of milk, of yogurt. These are stock of bottle filling machines. We have here some small farm equipment, cooling tanks, small milk machines, milk churns, stock of cheese fats. Then here we have a small dairy from used and new equipment. These are used but refurbished tanks. And this is a pasteurizer from 1,000 liters per hour with a boiler. And that's in fact a little bit our assortment. And we can build dairies from small to medium, from 250 liters milk per day to 50,000 liters milk per day.